What are the difference between the similarity and congruency of geometric figures? Presented by Yuvraj Puri. Today, I'm going to discuss the differences between the similarity and congruency of geometric shape or figures. What are the differences on there? First of all, I take the scope, similarity and congruency for differentiate with similarity and congruency. Definitions. What is the definition of similarity? Similarity means two geometric figures are congruent, two geometric figures are similar, two geometric figures are similar, two geometric figures are similar if they have the same shape but not size, equal to similarity. But two geometric figures are congruent if they have same shape and size. They have both same shape and size. But similarity has same shape but not size. Same shape exists but not same size. Area. On the scope of area, the similarity, two geometric similarity figures does not have equal area. Two similar figures does not have equal area. But congruence, two geometric congruence figures has equal area. Distance. Similarity on distance, two or more geometric similarity figures has no equal distance with a corresponding side. No equal distance with corresponding side. So the corresponding sides of similar geometric shape are in proportion. Similarity figures has no equal distance with corresponding side. So the corresponding sides of similar geometric shape are in proportion. Geometric shape of corresponding sides are proportions. Then in congruence, two or more geometric figures, two or more geometric figures, two or more geometric figures has equal distance with corresponding sides. Two or more geometric figures has equal distance with corresponding side. Then in the relation, what are the relation between the similarity and congruence? Every similarity may not be congruence. Every similarity may not be congruence. Every congruency must be similarity. So their relations is this. Transformation. Similar figures are related by the scalar factors. Similar figures are related by the scale factors, whereas congruent figures are related by the rigid transformation. Congruent figure as the rigid transformation and reflection. Congruent figures can be transformed into each others through the rotation, reflection, translation, but not resize. It cannot be resize. यसलाई रिसाइज गर्न सकिन्न, तर सिमिलर फिगरलाई रिसाइज गर्न सकिन्छ. रिसाइज गर्न सकिन्छ, यसमा रिसाइज गर्न सकिँदैन. Similar figures are related to scalar factors. Size. The size of the figures can be different. The size of the figures can the size of the figure can be different. They only need to be proportional. The size only needs to be proportional. But congruence figures, the size of the figures must be exactly the same. Size are exactly the same. The size of the figures must be exactly the same. Size exactly same हुनुपर्छ congruence. यसमा चाहिँ size of the figures can be different. They only need to be proportional. Scalar factors. The scalar factors in similarity. A scalar factor can be applied to transform one figure into a similar figure. A scalar factor can be applied to transform one figure into similar figures. But congruency, there is no scalar factors. Figures are the same size. After transformation, they are coincide on each other. Overlap. Figure don't necessarily overlap perfectly if resize. if resize नगर्ने हो भने figure don't necessarily overlap perfectly if resize. Figures can be perfectly superimposed onto each other if they are congruent. Congruence figures are coincide on each other, perfectly coincide. This necessarily cannot be coincide if they resize. Mathematically, the mathematical proof. The proof by the angles A in similarity, the proof by angles A, side angle side SAS, side similarity criteria. But proof by the congruency SSS, SAS, ASA congruence criteria. From these areas, we can conclude that there are some differences. And what are the similarity between these two concepts? Similarity. Similarity and congruence have a common concept is two geometric figures are preserves the shape. Both geometric figures preserves the shape. Two geometric figures preserve the corresponding angle. Two geometric figures preserve the corresponding angles. These two are common concept on these words or things. Thank you so much.
सब